Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a Honda Civic speedometer. A non-working speedometer can be frustrating and unsafe, but often the fix is straightforward. We'll start with the simplest checks, like inspecting your vehicle's fuses. A blown fuse, typically a 7.5 or 10 amp fuse, is an easy and inexpensive fix. Also, ensure your tires are the correct size, as mismatched tires can cause inaccurate speed readings, though usually not a complete failure. The vehicle speed sensor, or VSS, is a critical component for your speedometer's function. It sends speed data to your car's computer. If it's failing, you might notice your speedometer jumping around, working intermittently, or not at all. You can often diagnose this by using an OBD scan tool to check for specific trouble codes, such as those indicating a VSS gear issue. Many auto parts stores offer this diagnostic service for free. Replacing the speed sensor is a common repair. First, you'll need to gain access to it, which typically involves removing the air intake or air box assembly. The sensor is usually found on the back of the transmission. Disconnect its electrical harness, then remove the single 12mm bolt holding it in place. Gently pull out the old sensor, clean the area, and then insert the new sensor, securing it with the bolt and reconnecting the harness. If the speed sensor replacement doesn't resolve the issue, the problem might lie with the wiring or the instrument cluster itself. Carefully inspect the wiring harness for any visible damage, corrosion, or loose connections. Sometimes, the internal components of the instrument cluster, like solder joints, can fail. If you've exhausted other options, a specialized repair service or replacing the entire instrument cluster might be necessary to restore your speedometer's function.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.